Whoa, this guy snuck up on me. Got within 10 feet of me. Stallion too. Don't want to mess with him. Oh, looks like we got a lot of horses here. A lot of bugs too. Well, that was completely unintentional and the closest I ever got to one.